Hi everyone, welcome back to Plenty Graphics. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add an animated marquee text to your blog or website. This is that scrolling text effect you've probably seen when you're on retail sites, letting you know about free shipping, discounts, promotions. Today we're going to add it to your blogger site. It's simple, it's eye-catching, and great for announcements, promotions, or updates. So let's jump right in. First, you're going to head over to your Blogger dashboard and open the blog you want to edit. Then go to Layout and click Add Gadget, where you want your marquee text to appear, usually under the header or the sidebar. Okay, so now you're going to choose HTML JavaScript, and in the context box, paste a simple code that I've shown you earlier in this video. You can replace the placeholder text with whatever you like, a sales announcement, a welcome message, or any important update, just by changing the text in between the bracket. Once you're done, hit save, then view blog, and just like that, your animated marquee text is live on your blogger site. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more quick design and coding tutorials. And don't forget to check out our blog, The Glitch Report, for more tech tips and creative tools. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.